Okay, this is an example for section 7-5 and it's page 475. It is number 17. Now on this one we're going to use the corollary of the side splitter theorem. We used the side splitter theorem on the first example there with number 9. We're going to use for number 17, the corollary of the side splitter theorem. And what it says, if three parallel lines intersect two transversals, then the segments intercepted on the transversals are proportional. So here we have these three parallel lines, these little arrows here that's showing that those are parallel. We have these segments that are in between that are going to be proportional. So we can set up a proportion to help us then to solve for x. So on this side, my first fraction, I'm going to take 4 and I'm going to put it on top and then put 9 on the bottom, 4 over 9 on that side, and then I've got to be consistent on this side. So I'll take then and set that equal to x. Now this 11 goes all the way down to the bottom, including the x. So I just need, since I went this segment over that one, I just need this segment over that one. So I need to find this segment here, so I'd have to take 11 minus x. So 11 minus x is going to be that segment, and so then that would be what would go here in our proportion. So we're taking this segment over that one, and then we're taking this segment over that one, and so you need to stay consistent on both sides. Now we have our proportion, and we can cross multiply and solve. So 9 times x would give me 9x equals, then we got to take 4 times the 11 minus x. And so that means then I'm going to have to distribute here to go through 11 and x. So we got 9x equals 4 times 11 would be 44. 4 times negative x would be negative 4x. And so now I got rid of my parentheses. I need to get my x's together on one side. I add 4x to both sides and I draw my line. That gives me 13x equals 44. And then we divide by 13 and I end up with x is equal to 3.3846, and it keeps going on. And so we'll round to the nearest tenth, and so that would be 3.4. And so 3.4 then would be my answer for x. And that's what they wanted us to find, was find x in problem number 17. So using the corollary of the side splitter theorem, and anytime you have a diagram looks like this, you have three parallel lines, you have transversals, then it's going to divide those transversals proportionally. And so set up your proportion, and then you can cross multiply and solve and find your missing segment. And so this is example number 17. And it is part of your homework. And so this gives you an example for this corollary of the side splitter theorem.